We are about to start detailing a Lamborghini Aventador SVJ, and this is probably the craziest Aventador you could actually buy. We are really happy to start this. We're going to completely detail it. We're going to detail the interior, engine bay, exterior, and at last we're going to finish it with a ceramic coating. So let's start. So to be able to detail the engine bay, we have to take off the engine cover. That's not how it usually goes. We have to completely remove this, so we have to be with two people. We're gonna unleash these quick releases, and then the bonnet is basically slide into pieces up here, and then you can slide it out, and then we can finally detail it. And also, we can only detail the rear window when this cover is off. You are maybe asking, why do we actually need a rear window? So from the inside, you can look out of the window to this window and see the back. Maybe not that much, but at least you can see something. So here at the spoiler you see ALA, and ALA means Aerodynamica Lamborghini Activa, and that means a system that controls the downforce and drag of the car, and this is one of the hidden features that makes this car so fast. And the other point of this system is that it is working on electric motors. Traditionally it will be with hydraulic motors, so this system compared with the hydraulic version is 80% lighter than the other one. So that's a lot lighter, and I guess also faster response time than compared with a hydraulic system. So we have absolutely mega exhausts. These are really, really huge, and they make an absolutely amazing sound as well. And then we have this really amazing looking spoiler with this fin in the middle. Looks absolutely amazing in my opinion, but these exhausts are really crazy, I have to say. So the SVJ does not have any carbon in it, so it is very light. You can actually see the carbon up there, so it's completely stripped out. The owner of this car chose for the comfort seats. The ceramic coating is on the car. Thank you for watching. If you also have a car like this and you want to treat it as well, let us know, send us an email or WhatsApp, and maybe we can help you as well. Thank you for watching and see you next week.